Hi you guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're making Nutella brownies and I'm super excited to share this recipe. I saw it online and I'm like, you know what, we're gonna make it and we're gonna put our own twist to it. So let's see. All right, so the items you're gonna need for the Nutella brownie is gonna be Nutella. So we're gonna need Nutella, we're gonna need salt, you're gonna need sugar. And as you know, my sugar is kept in this container, so we have white sugar. You're gonna need butter. You're gonna need baking powder. And you're going to need eggs. Okay, you guys. And I don't know if I mentioned flour. You're gonna need flour. So we have the Pillsbury all-purpose flour in here. Okay, so those are the items we need to make the Nutella brownie. And I'm telling you guys, it's gonna be so good and delicious and it's easy to make. So as you know, like we always do, we do step by step. So follow me. Oh, if you hear any background noise, like usual, those are my kids. Sorry. And also, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, hit the like button and the notification button so you don't miss out on any of the contents we make in this channel, okay? So yeah, follow me. All right, so we have our bowl and I melted down the butter. It's half a cup of butter, so that was a whole stick of butter. So it's melted, so you pour it in. Okay, so you pour it in. So that was a stick of butter, which is half a cup. All right, so we did that. Now we're gonna do our sugar. White sugar, which is 1 cup of white sugar. We're gonna pour that in our bowl. Okay. Okay, and now we pour in our Nutella. Okay, and then you just start pouring that into your bowl. You're gonna put the whole entire jar in there of Nutella, so it could be just a gooey brownie. That's our goal. Once you have all your Nutella in there, then you start mixing up the butter and the sugar and the Nutella. Okay. Just mix it well. That's good. Now, that was my oven. That's a good reminder to let you guys know. Preheat your oven at 350, okay? So preheat your oven at 350 while you're preparing your brownie mix. This Nutella brownie mix is gonna be amazing. I can't wait until the end results for this. Okay, so now we're gonna add our 2 eggs, large 2 eggs. 2 eggs are in the brownie mix. Now I'm gonna add 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, okay? 1/4. Okay, and then I'm gonna add the same 1/4 of baking powder to the brownie mix. So that was the baking powder. Okay, and now we mix it. Okay, there we go. And just continue to mix. That's just your baking powder and stuff. So just continue to mix well until everything has been dissolved in the mix. this is gonna be so gooey and delicious. I can't wait. It's gonna be delicious. Okay, and then now we add you're gonna add half of all-purpose flour to your mix. And there we go. Okay. Okay, and just mix it well. This is gonna be so delicious, and get creative with it, you guys. You know, if you like, walnuts, or if you even like the pecans, you could add things to your brownie mix. Or if you want to add chocolate chips to it, I mean, you can. I'm just gonna keep it classic, I guess, but with my own little twist. Like I added the sugar and stuff. That was just my preference, and you guys could add anything else to it. But this is how I do it, and like I said, I saw it online. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do it, and then I did it, and then I was like, well, now I'm gonna make it for everybody on YouTube so they can check it out. Because it is truly yummy. It really is. Mixing well, and that, I'm satisfied with my mix and the way it looks. See? All right, so now we put it in our pan and we cook it for 350 at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Make sure you don't overdo it. Just make sure you look at it. You know how you like your brownies, you know? And let's see how we could get this completed. All right, let's start pouring this into our tray. Pour this right here. This is the best way I can pour. So, hopefully this tray is not too big. I think we'll be okay. It'll be fine because I have to even it out, thin it out. Okay, you guys, so I spread it all out. It looks great. So now I'm gonna pop it into the oven, 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. So once you see it again, it'll be done. So let's wait and see. Hi you guys, look at these Nutella brownies. Amazing, amazing. And they're so moist and like soft and gooey in the inside. My gosh, it is delicious. You have to try it. You have to try it. And you need to tell me, you have to make it and you have to tell me if you love it or not, because it's Nutella. You can't go wrong with that. These brownies are amazing, amazing. You could top it off with a powdered sugar if you want. I'm gonna leave it just like that, but this is good. This is good. And 25 to 30 minutes in the oven once everything is ready to make. But this was super easy, you guys. So I gave you step-by-step instructions. You could totally do this. So please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and let me know how everything goes. But this is so good, so good. Yum. See you later.